Howdy do, Ben Coton here again, and welcome to another surprise unboxing. Why is it a surprise, you say? Well, it's a surprise because I don't know what's in this box. I ordered a few things and it could be a selection of things or it could just be one thing. So let's get to it and open the surprise box. Number 2 actually, because we've opened the first one. So if you'd like to see what's in that box, check that video out. So here we go. Like I said, it could be lots of things, or it could just be one, but it's all very exciting. And we're through. You might also like to know why I'm wearing this jacket today. Well, it's because it's February 2018 and it's a bit chilly out there. It's about 2 or 3 degrees and I am in the music room today, which also you could call it a shed. It's where I can escape to and do my music, play my music, record my music and just get away from it all. So we have number 1. We have a Camkix wireless Bluetooth clicker, which will allow me to click away, start and stop and pause videos without touching the screen, and connect it also to my DSLR camera, which I will be using very soon. So that's number 1. Very good. Numero 2. Cut along the line. Okay then, let's get to this one. So that's another little package for you. What do we have here? It's a box, 2 boxes, 2 remote controls. There we are. There we are, 2 remote controls. ML3L remote control. Neewer. Neewer. That's a funny word. Neewer. Let's have a look inside one of the boxes. It's a little remote control. There we are, with a click on it to control my DSLR camera. Splendid. And we got 2 just in case one breaks, and that's always a good thing. So that's it, that's that package there. Goodbye. And then to the main event, the bit that's taking up all the room in the box. Empty box. If you'd like an empty box, give me a shout. Right then, we will break this seal. There we are. Well, that's the idea anyway. Okay. It is a DSLR grip. There we are, empty box, nothing left in there. DSLR grip. So this is where the DSLR goes onto, and it's used for filming. We can also put it on a tripod, and I can hook up a bar across here. It's not the easiest to see really. A bar across here for microphones and lighting and both, and anything else that can be attached to the DSLR camera, and that's a good sturdy grip, and hopefully we can use it for shooting along with the DSLR camera. Wonderful, excellent. Well, thank you for watching. Check out my other videos, like this video and subscribe to my wonderful, fantastic channel for more videos coming very soon. Be nice to each other. Bye bye.